Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you something really cool that I wanted to share with you guys that I am going to be giving to my little cousin. His name is Caleb. If Caleb, you're watching, yeah, I'm going to go to your house, Caleb. Yeah, so I'm just going to review the things really quick because I'm going to go shop and yeah. So first, up here, it has like this twirl thing and like this. So this twirl thing, it makes weird noises. Watch this right here. See? See, it's getting longer. Yeah. Like, you do this to get it longer. You put this to get it shorter. So, yeah. This is to go, you remember, long. This is to go short. My hair is messed up. Sorry, my hair is messed up. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry. So, oh, I forgot. And then in the front, this is the front of the car. It can get out like that. It has like little things, details, and then it has a detail right here. Detail. And like something that's usually in front of somebody's car. And like on the side, you can see that the windows are opened. Yeah. And I forgot to tell you that here there's like some stairs because the truck is really tall. So the workers might not get to it. But then I have to show you something here. This spot right here goes like that. Yeah. And then you see this twirl right here, right? It makes this stick go up. Where is it? Here, I think. Oh, sorry, it's not that one. Here it is. Don't you see it's going up? Wait, let me go like this. It's going up. Yeah, that's how long it can go, right? Yeah, and it has like a rubber band. Let me just scoot this back up. Down. I meant down. Okay. Oh, hey. I'm just gonna keep it like that because this actually bothers the front people, and the front people can't, so, yeah. The wheels. And this, you can actually buy it at Walmart, Target, or Toys R Us, or Babies R Us, because, yeah. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys, and that's all that's left. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and hope you like this video. See you tomorrow, because I will make a video tomorrow, like at night or something. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and bye. Don't forget, always smile.